Today I am discussing about assistive technology set I for 3D printing. Few pictures as you can see in this video. This is the first of hopefully a series of 3D printable items to assist people with disabilities in the use of common household items. All items can be 3D printed on virtually on any desktop 3D printer. Minimal assembly and spot removal is required. Some of the items require fasteners that will be detailed in a bill of materials so they can easily purchased. When assistive technology meets household accessible manufacturing technology like 3D printing, integrity and creativity are unleashed to create open hardware assistive technology. That's what the logo on our door look identifier means. A 3D printer will be a common household item in the near future, enabling a host of benefits to families and individuals by allowing at-home manufacturing of items as needed. If you don't need a 3D printer yet, don't panic. 3D Hubs is just a few clicks away to give you inexpensive access to the incredible technology. Autodesk offers 3D design CAD software like 123D Design or Fusion 360 that make it a breeze of design of your own parts. Step 1. The key holder identifier. A picture as you can see in this video. This is a set of two simple items that combined offer help in different ways to individuals with the different handicaps. This set will allow people with true trouble handling a small items in such case door key to be able to hold the key more comfortably and able to turn it better to cooperate lock. Step 2. The key holder turner. Key turner holder. This item is supposed to aid in the use of a regular door key. It will add surface area for enhanced grip and torque, still allowing the key to be a key. This is small enough to fit in your pocket and hang from a key ring or keychain. Step 3. Bill of materials. 2 pan head M3x8 mm 3D printed parts. Key turner top.stl, key turner bottom.stl, key hole top.stl, keyring hole bottom.stl, opener.stl. You can download and see as well. Step 4. Assembly. Assembly of the key turner is pretty straightforward. There are two halves of the body named top and bottom. They slot into each other holding on the other printed parts between them. There are two keyring holes halves that go onto the each part of the body. One fits into the big hole at the end of the top body and the other fits into the big hole of the bottom body. The key opener has a hole that fits the snug and stud closer to the big hole of the bottom body. Step 5. Finished key holder. The key holder as can be assembled using different color combinations. I chose a neutral color for the central parts of the bright identifier color for the main body parts, but it can also be done for the opposite way, giving a more stable look. The key holder has a opener but part in the center that when pushed into your finger it will itself push the tip of the key of the body of the holder just enough to make a key hook and turned up all the way in your fingertip nails. Step 6. The door identifier. Designed to hang the most common door handles to allow easy matching a door lock and a key by color. Step 7. Bill of materials. 3D printed parts bottom.stl, body top.stl, log ring.stl, logo token.stl. Number Step 8. Assembly. The door lock identifier is made of two main body parts, 3D printed parts. It is very important that not to be a part of the slides into the bottom part of the lower side. Both parts are designed with the slanted edges to fit snugly the way. Make sure that you also insert the locking ring into the circular channel of the top bottom part before the sliding of the part. Step 9. Finished door lock identifier. As you can see in this video, the door lock identifier will easily hang and secure with the locking ring into the most common door handles. It will hang visibly to serve its purposes, but it's still not too big in the way of the lock and easily. Step 10 conclusion. Thanks for watching this video.